Well, good morning, everybody. So, I came across the box that I forgot about. This particular is going to be from the mycigarboxcompany.com or something like that. It was my very first subscription. And, oh, why didn't I do that? Look at that. How about that? That's where I got it from. And on the first two packages, I'm just going to be honest, I was disappointed. The value was okay, but it didn't tell me what I was smoking, and I had to research each one individually. And I thought a good subscription ought to have what I am getting in here besides just a simple cigar. So I replaced them with the Holtz Company, but I did come across this. Let's see if they did a redemption. Maybe the first two boxes were wrong, and I believe I got this one in January. So at least that's what the postmark reads. Let's see what's in here. I probably didn't learn anything from my first unboxing video because I think I made the comment in there. Wouldn't it just make sense to open it up, know what's in there so you don't have to wing it? But anyway, a little packing slip, prepaid monthly box subscription, 3 months for variety. Yep, that's what that is. Just that. And we've got a nice little sticker. I wonder if you could save it. Anybody else got like a little weird sticker collection? May not be able to save that one. No. Anyway, looks like we're gonna get a new cutter. Looks like you can just be a smooth cut or a V cut. That does come with each one. That's good. They do dull. I probably need to go throw a couple away because they're not doing a good job of cutting anymore, and I got a new one, so there's no reason to just keep the old junky stuff around. We got some frilly stuff over here. Some strike matches, which is my preferred way of lighting cigars. I really thought I'd like a triple flame torch, and I really don't. I like the gentleness of a open flame versus the torpedo torch. But that's just a personal preference. Looks like it's in a nice little sealed envelope. Let's see what's down in here. This one looks like we got a 69% Brevita pack. It did its job. And it looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 6 cigars. And my objective, I kind of been saving this for a week or two, maybe. I don't know. And I'm really in the mood for a nice cigar this morning, and I'm out of like a gentle cigar, so I'm hoping there's like a lighter Connecticut shade in here, because I would like to have a nice coffee cigar this morning. So it's morning time, and we're unboxing. Gisbert? I don't know what that is. It's a Gisbert Toro, is what that says. Handmade. Next one is, it's going to be a Drew Estate Java Latte. That is probably going to be a very strong contender for this morning. It is a 5x58, and it is a nice, like out of the box, it looks like a nice Connecticut wrapper, and a nice box press. That looks good. I would say, kids, that one is going to be the one that's enjoyed this morning. And then we have a Macanudo, handmade, imported, some lettering I can't read. Man Cafe Tudor 6x52. Whoa, can't read very good, but that's what that is. Never even heard of that one. Guess I've heard of Drew Estate. That one seems a little off. AVO Uviazian. Avio class number 6. Classic. Whatever. I don't know. I see, this is why I would like to have a sheet in here that would tell me this scored 91 and these are the flavor notes to expect. It just misses that. It said it did online, and this is the third box, and it just didn't provide what I was looking for. If you watch this prepaid subscription box, really why I switched from you. San Cristobal Revelation. Odyssey. I'm not sure. I bet you that'll be a nice evening cigar, perhaps over a nice bourbon. Looks like it's got a nice oily sheen. That looks very interesting to me. And last but not least is the Herrera Estelle, I think is how that is, by Drew Estate. It's going to be in the Brazilian Maduro Robusto Grande. That's what that reads on the back. That might be a late afternoon one. It's a little smaller, but very dark wrapper, got a nice sheen to it. That may provide a little bit more punch than I am thinking it will. But there's my review from mycigarbox.com. The other one review I did was from the Holt Company. Their presentation is nice. Like this month, I feel like there's pretty good value in here. They also are about $35 a month. Makes it $7.50 a stick. And I just can't see why any reasonable person who's into cigars would just be mad at paying $7.50 for this grade of sticks delivered to your house. So I think there's some value to it. You just need to step up your game. My Box Cigar Company. Make sure we know what we're smoking in here. And I'm going to go enjoy this Drew Estate. Was it Drew Estate? Yeah. Java, just about in 3 minutes. So if you like this content, let me know. Click like, subscribe, put in the contents what you like me to do different. It's just me trying to have a little fun and pass on a hobby that I enjoy, and maybe you do too. So long ashes to you, kids.